Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. In this video, I'm going to be looking at no-win, no-fee leg injury compensation claims. I'll be taking a look at whether or not you can claim, how to claim, and how much you may be entitled to by looking at personal injury compensation amounts if you've been involved in an accident which has resulted in an injury to your leg. So that's personal injury compensation, how much you may be entitled to and how to claim. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments, and if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. A leg injury can impact a victim's life on a day-to-day basis to a huge extent, limiting their ability to walk, drive, and in some cases even get out of bed. But regardless of whether the accident that caused your leg injury happened in work, was the result of a slip, trip or fall, or occurred during a road traffic accident, if a third party was responsible for your injury occurring, then you may be entitled to compensation. So, how do you begin the process of claiming for a leg injury? Well, in order to bring a claim for an accident resulting in a leg injury, we recommend that you reach out to a personal injury claims no-win, no-fee solicitors that has experience in dealing with leg injury claims. The good news for you is that we at legalexpert.co.uk are happy to offer you a completely free, no obligation consultation. We will talk through the accident with you in order to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on 0800 652 7676 or visit our around the clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We'll shortly be looking at personal injury compensation levels in our leg injury compensation table. But you should bear in mind that these figures only represent the compensation that you may receive for your injuries and do not include any additional sums for things like loss of income from time off work and any other expenses that you may have incurred because of the accident. If you reach out to us, we'll be happy to use our soft tissue injury compensation calculator in order to give you a good idea of just how much may be claimed in total. And if your accident happened at a specific place, let's say your place of work, and you've suffered other injuries along with your leg injury, we'll also use our workplace injury compensation calculator and our multiple injury compensation calculator in order to let you know how much we believe that you may be entitled to. Now, following this consultation, we will talk through your leg injury compensation claim with you. If we believe that we are able to assist you, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. This means that there won't be any upfront fees for you to worry about, but most importantly, if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Now, as promised, let's take a look at personal injury compensation amounts for a leg injury in our compensation claim amount table. So we're looking at the table for leg injuries here, and we have a couple of different types of injuries. This is severe leg injury, so an example would be a fracture to the leg. We're looking at anything from £31,250 all the way up to £108,370. Then for moderate leg injuries, an example being a fractured femur, we're looking at anything from £22,130 right the way up to £31,250. For mild leg injuries, we're looking at anything from £7,270 right the way up to £22,130. I'd like to emphasise that these figures are the amounts that you may receive solely as an award for the injury itself and does not include the amount of any loss of income from time off work or any expenses you've incurred or may incur as part of your compensation sum, which means that the amount of your claim is likely to be larger. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Thanks. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.